In front of me is ZTE Blade A73, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Contact. Now click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you wish to delete one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and hit Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!